Then now the elusive Jamie J paints with vinegar and garlic. I mean vinegar and oil. And fries it up. Click like and leave a comment for your chance to win. Details are in the description. All aboard! Are you ready for culinary adventures? Let's paint. Let the culinary adventures begin.
Beep, 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 copyright.
Popeye the salad! I eat up my spinach like a butter! It's like butter! It's like butter. And the sun's a bowl of butter.
And a lot of people now are buying it and actually smearing it on their body. Yeah, I saw a lot of articles about how it's great for your skin.
I've done it.
We use dressing, and it does have some vitamin E in it. So I will just sprinkle some onto your. Now this is just Wise brand. You can. I should have said this earlier. Some people are very particular about store-bought brands versus name brand.
Get ready because things are about to get intense.
They only green beans,
Yeah.
so you get them off the stack and put
the label on it?
Label on it.
Okay, so
Like really, things are going to get intense. You just have to wait.
It's gonna happen. Just wait.
it's saffron. It's not. It's safflower. It's really, really light. Really light. But it-
We
it's
have
also-
to layer.
It's really
We have to layer and layer the oils. It's a refined process. And then in the end we cook the oils on a frying pan.
I like balsamic.
Me too.
Caprese salad.
It's yummy.
So if you're ever in Italy and you're ever in the two regions, and you need gifts to bring home to your friends and family.
It's yummy.
Balsamic vinegar, they also against balsamic fig, balsamic pomegranate, at home, balsamic orange. So there, you guys want to try those. And you're gonna let
It's
it
yummy.
sit. Then you put them in these. So it's not coming from grapes, but it is coming. You're not gonna make a salad that they put it all over their fish.
It's yummy.
What? Spice wine? Yeah. So, are you getting the picture here? Anything that will. This is really light. It's only 4% acid level on the packer, which is that one.
It's yummy.
Is that poop?
Wow, cooking it really turned it golden brown. And meat it a bit crispy. I think I'm gonna stop before it burns. Oh yes, so make sure you click like, people. And oh my. Click like and leave a comment. Ew, that plate is red.
yummy.
Thank you for watching, and I am such a rugged human being. Let me know what you want us to paint with next. Ahoy, mateys! Toot toot!